it's me, Tori. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be making sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast burritos. This is a really super easy recipe. It only cost me about $10 to make actually, so this is way under budget. But yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so we're gonna start out with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 pound of ground breakfast sausage, 1.5 cups of hash browns, about half a cup or a quarter cup of yellow onion, 8 large eggs, salt and pepper, a cup of shredded cheese, and 8 10-inch flour tortillas. So now I'm just going to turn on my stove and heat the 2 tablespoons of oil in my large skillet over medium-high heat until it's simmering. Then we're going to cook the hash browns until they're about golden brown. I'm putting in 1.5 cups, and then we're going to take them off the heat once they're fully cooked and put them onto a paper towel just so that they can just like drain out all the oil. Now we're going to cut up our onion. You're going to want to cut it in half, and I just store the other half in my fridge, and make sure that you dice them. Now we're going to add our pound of sausage, and we're going to cook it until it's about pink, but we're going to add in our onions first, and no pink is in the sausage when we add our hash browns back in there. We're going to beat up our eggs. Here I am whisking with a fork. So we're just going to beat those, and then we're going to add our mixture in with the hash brown, sausage, and onion. We're going to want to cook that over about medium heat and make sure that you're stirring until it's fully scrambled. Now we're going to want to take our tortillas and put them on a plate, and we're going to spoon our mixture onto the tortilla and sprinkle with cheese. I'm going to try to show you how I roll my burritos. I'm not very good at it, and it doesn't really matter because whatever. But basically I'm just going to try to make sure that everything is like centered in the middle, and you don't want to put too much of your like filling into the burrito or else it won't close. So we're just gonna fold it inwards like this, and then we're gonna take our ends, kind of fold them in a little bit, and we're just gonna wrap it up. And I bought kind of like small ones, small tortillas, but yeah, that's how it looks. So basically all I'm doing right now is taking my saran wrap and making sure that they're wrapped tightly around the burritos just so that they're airtight. We don't want them to get freezer burned since we will be eating these for breakfast, but I'm just going to place them in a large gallon freezer bag and put them in my freezer. Okay guys, so it's time for a taste test. One of my burritos busted when I was rolling it. That's fine if that happens. You can either just keep it or eat it. I'm gonna eat half of it now. But it really doesn't matter. If you want to, you can re-roll it. Should be fine either way. But yeah, cheers. So good. Even my dog wants some. He's been begging the whole time, but super good. You can really put anything. You can customize these however you want. You can use bell peppers. You can omit the onions. This recipe is free range for pretty much whatever you want to do. But this sausage, egg, and cheese with the yellow onion, so good. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this week's video. If you like it, make sure you leave a comment down below, and also if you try it, leave some feedback, or if you have any suggestions for what I should make next, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you. But yeah, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll post my links in the description. But yeah, see y'all next Wednesday.